Agra Kent Railway Station is the main railway station in Agra to visit the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. The CSR initiative of Standard Chartered Bank, supported by Anuprayaas, makes the railway station accessible for people with disabilities. Braille map has been installed at the railway station to empower people with disabilities, which gives a brief of the railway station. Entry-exit signs on the railings guiding people who are visually impaired. These signs are available for various other facilities as well. Braille indicators are installed to guide the way to the reservation counter. Platform indicators to identify the platform numbers. They are installed at the beginning of the railings to guide the way. All installations are at similar heights and locations for universal access, starting and ending points of the accelerator. Braille signages are installed at every important facility at the railway station to assist people with disabilities. Free Braille booklets are also available at the railway station, which provide a complete guide to the railway station for visually impaired persons. Water booth signages at various platforms to enhance accessibility. This project aims to empower people with disabilities to travel with minimum assistance. Accessible toilets. A scannable QR code is available at various locations, which redirects you to a sign language YouTube video explaining every important detail about the railway station. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have been provided at the railway station to assist people using a wheelchair to board the trains easily. Under this CSR initiative, Seeing is Believing by Standard Chartered Bank, along with Anuprayaas, is working to make railway stations in India accessible for people with visual disabilities, speech and hearing disabilities, and people using wheelchairs.